Hello all. Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. So, in this series where we are talking about the preview release of 2024 release wave 1, today we'll talk about another addition to the Business Central, which is now going forward you can assign salesperson to the customer ship to address. So let's kind of understand it, what it does. So as per the Microsoft documentation, assigning salespeople to the shipping location rather than the billing address to ensure accurate sales report by reflecting the true geographical distribution of your sales. So to make it simple, what Microsoft have done, and let me open my Business Central so that we can see it there. Okay, there it is. So on Business Central 2024 release wave 1, you can then come up here and on your customer card you can navigate to ship to address, and here we should see a field for salesperson code. I'm hoping that this gets added into the future when the actual product is released, but as of today we'll have to go into personalize and choose the field, and then here you'll find a new field called salesperson code, and then you can add it into the page. Hopefully that'll come in the GA release by default on the page and you don't have to add it. So now you can assign the salesperson exactly at the ship to address location. So for the example, let's choose Robin here as the salesperson code for the Lewis Road ship to address for customer Adam Corporation. So as soon as you choose that, it's not just a setup on your salesperson card, but if you go ahead and create a document with the sales order from here, it'll automatically tell you this is coming from the customer at this point, because it's picking the default ship to address. But if you come down here, the salesperson code will also update whenever you change the ship to address to an alternate ship to address. So by default, system picks the default sell to address as ship to address. But if going forward, when you change the ship to address to, let's say, Lewis Road and click OK, it'll automatically update the the salesperson code on your sales order record. So going forward, that's the change that you'll see with respect to ship to address change, and that'll only be applicable when you choose the alternate ship to address on your sales order card. From a technical perspective, there are events available to handle it and not to handle it, so you'll be able to do that. And that's all this change, and hopefully that solves some of the business problems that you might be facing today, and hopefully that makes product a better product as our customer wanted. So you know the drill. Hit the like button if you like the feature. Do share this on social media if you think this is something that your customers and partners should know, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'll see you sooner than later on a new feature in this release as soon as possible. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.